So first off, before I start the video, let me announce that on the 15th of this month, on 15th of July, Jill was told that she was cancer-free, 100% remission. That's a good thing to celebrate. This is an anniversary for her, a very important anniversary in fact. At that point was started her recovery phase, which she has done very well. She's not 100% the way she was, but she is recovering very well with it. It does take a while to get back because the cancer and the treatment really did a number on her, and we will, keep doing it. We'll keep at it, keep getting better every day. Now we are celebrating by going on a very long trip for the Bronco Sport, so we're going to be driving that to near the beach. Let's put it that way. We won't tell you where, but we're going, yeah, to a beach, far away from where it is now, where we're at now. Not the Keys. That's at 1,000 subscribers. But there is one thing I wanted to do for her is hopefully, I know I can't get 1,000 subscribers by the 15th, but it would be nice to actually celebrate with her with at least 700 subscribers. We are right at 648 right now as we do this video, and hopefully we can celebrate that at the beach and a nice long weekend that we literally have never had for almost 3 years. This will be the first time we've actually ventured away from the house and spent the night somewhere else because of not only the pandemic, but she couldn't do that because of the cancer and she needed to be near the doctors that were actually treating her in case of emergency happened. They had to be able to take care of her. They knew what was going on. So there was no traveling involved, and then rolled into the pandemic, obviously no traveling there. So hopefully we can get that for her. I would love to get that for her. I would love to get her 1,000, but I know that's never going to happen. Not right now. It takes a little bit to get the subscribers that we need. But again, please like, subscribe, notify for her sake, and
comment down below.
Help me celebrate basically a start of a new life, second chance. That's what this is about. So okay, on with the video. Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
And today is Bronco Issue Day. Not a Bronco Sport Issue Day, that comes next time. Bronco Issue Day is basically an issue that's going on with the Bronco currently, and it's not an issue. There's a lot of issues going on with the Bronco, but this is a warranty issue for the maybe couple dozen or a couple hundred Broncos that are already out there. There aren't very many. I see a lot of things on there. Now, granted, there are a lot of people who are getting them who aren't posting, but I don't see very many going out right now. They're all kind of waiting to get finalized and sent out. So first off, congratulations for anybody who has one. Now, the issue today has to do with the key fob. So you're getting a message on the dash that says key fob not detected, key not detected on the message screen on your gauge cluster. Now your key is still there. It's not gone. It's not a malfunction as far as the key where it's going to affect the car. So it does seem to be some software issue. It's nothing mechanical or anything like that so far. It is kind of the same realm as the parking sensor failure. It is just a software fix. They don't have a software fix just yet, but they are working on it. They do not know when they're going to have it. They believe in August, according to what this is. If you do have that issue, notify your service center, talk to them, have them keep an eye out for you for what needs to happen and when they actually get that software update. Now again, there is over-the-air updates for it as well. Whether that works, I have no idea. Right now, there is no any other information other than the fact that you are not getting a key recognized in there. Again, this doesn't affect anything with the vehicle. It still starts, still drives, still goes everywhere. It doesn't affect it other than it shows that the key is not there for whatever reason. It seems to be only the vehicle, the Bronco, that's doing it, not all the vehicles, so it must be something solely with the Bronco and the software for the Bronco itself, not across the board with all the Sync 4 equipped vehicles. But we'll keep you informed on any fixes, whether they have them or when they come out with them, if it's notified or if it just goes straight to the service center and those guys notify everybody who's available. If you're getting a vehicle later on, most likely it will be fixed by the time that happens, because anybody who doesn't have a vehicle right now or doesn't have a production date, that fix will obviously be ready by the time we get them. I don't have a production date yet, so I'm assuming it will be September okay. Production date, maybe October if I'm lucky, but I'm assuming September. They do come out every Thursday. It's like Groundhog Thursday for us. Just wait and then
get disappointed.
Do it all over again every Thursday. So again, congratulations for everybody who has their vehicle already. Congratulations for the people who actually have production dates. Hopefully it doesn't change. If your Bronco is in work, really congratulations for you guys, because you'll get yours pretty soon. So wish I was one of you guys that had them or had a production date at least, but we'll get ours eventually. We do have 2 coming, so we kind of have a vested interest in the stuff that's happening with the warranties and stuff like that. So anyways, hope you like this. Well, I hope you like us giving you information. Obviously nobody's going to like bad news, but please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to continue getting information about the warranty issues and such. And leave a
comment down below.
Leave a comment down below if you guys have a Bronco that has that. One of a dozen people maybe. So anyways, hope you liked the video and hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye.